Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, CDM number 9. High pressure is leaving the region and a trough is approaching from the west, and that means a mix of sun and clouds today with a few isolated showers. We have a nice southwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, a few lower 60s mixed into the higher elevations. Mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, upper 60s to lower 70s in your urban areas with that nice southwesterly wind. Now, right now, no precipitation in the region. This isn't reaching the ground, but you can see the potential here with this trough that's approaching ahead of this cold front. The potential here for a few isolated showers. Not a washout or anything like that today. For most locations, a mix of sun and clouds as this high pressure departs. But again, a few of these showers would be capable of a brief, moderate downpour, let's say about 5 to 10 minutes, and then that's about it. Most locations, you won't need to worry about an umbrella, but I would have one handy just in case you have any outdoor activities like a baseball game or something of that nature. Just keep an eye to the skies. For the most part, this rainfall will be pretty light with less than a tenth of rainfall expected for today. But as we zoom out on the infrared satellite picture, you can see trouble brewing. Now, first we have this trough over here, and this is going to cause a cold front to drop south. That's going to lead to a few scattered showers for tonight into tomorrow morning. Then we have this upper level low and trough that's approaching, and that is going to lead to another cold front approaching, and that's going to lead to first showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, and then more showers on Friday. Then this feature is going to break off, and then we're going to have to watch out for something possibly brewing in the Bahamas for early next week. But there's a lot to break down in terms of that. So let's not jump the gun just yet. Let's just wait a bit till we get a little bit more data on the potential of something developing down here as some sort of tropical feature or subtropical feature. Not sure yet. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Trough is approaching, scattered broken cloud cover, a few isolated showers. Temperatures range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s on the I-95 corridor, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 70s on Long Island. For tonight into tomorrow, a cold front drops south from New England with a few scattered showers around the region. Some of those showers will be capable of a brief heavy downpour. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, the cold front stalls over the region and it produces variable cloud cover with a few widely scattered showers. Most of these showers will produce very light precipitation though. Look for high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior and along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. On Thursday morning, the stationary boundary lifts north as a warm front with scattered showers and some thunderstorms. Then we'll get a break in the mid-morning hours, and then a cold front will move through in the afternoon, but stall over the region. So what you'll have is one initial cold front, you can almost call it a prefrontal trough, and then the main cold front back here. Combination of the two will lead to scattered showers and thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon. Any way you slice it, looks like a bit of a stormy day on Thursday. Look for low temperatures on Thursday in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior and along the coast, lower to mid 80s on the I-95 corridor. On Thursday night into Friday morning, the cold front slowly pushes into the coastal waters, leading to variable cloud cover and scattered showers. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. On Friday afternoon, the cold front slowly inches further to the east, and that's still going to lead to a mix of sun and clouds with a few isolated showers around the area. Look for high temperatures to range from the mid to upper 70s throughout the region. On Saturday, a trough will swing through with an isolated shower possible. Other than that, just some scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior and along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. On Sunday, high pressure will build in with tranquil weather conditions. Very nice weather conditions with low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. On Monday, high pressure departs. Look for increasing cloud cover with something brewing down to the south here that we're going to keep an eye on. Don't want to add any more details on that as there's a lot of volatility in the forecast, but let's just say some tropical downpours are going to start to try to push up the coast. Look for variable cloud cover on Monday with low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s in your suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas, a few mid 60s possible in Philadelphia. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s on the I-95 corridor. And then on Tuesday, an interaction with an upper level low around the Tennessee River Valley and a tropical like feature that is going to be off the mid-Atlantic coast will lead to the potential for waves of showers and a few tropical thunderstorms to push into the region with a steady easterly wind. So definitely for Tuesday, watch out for the potential for some coastal flooding and at the very least some heavier downpours. We'll have more details on that as we get more details going forward. Look for low temperatures range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast, and high temperatures in the mid 70s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.